Today is 24th of October 2009, and we are here in the vicinity of Tony Pizarro's mansion right behind me. The occasion for today is the blessing of this house, and right now I am with the Enriquez, Constantino, Artiliaga, and many other folks from Orion. So we expect this to be a big day today, and we are the first one here because we will be doing more work before it starts. And we are assigned to be the candle holders, and you can see these big trees right here were not here before in March, and amazingly they transplanted these two giant palm trees, but at a big cost. So guys, we'll see you inside the mansion.
Oh, tumawag ka kagabi.
Video na to.
Pwede, o sabihin mo. Oh, really? Research. Oh, really? Yeah. Small office in San Diego. Okay. Yeah. Oh, you don't live down here. Oh, yeah. Excited daw kami masyado eh. Ito meron naman still picture to minsan. Meron ng bahay ngayon.
Sa loob-loob ko lang. Sila baka kung
we're just so busy what we're doing. People, the guests are now start coming in. So you know I always do. Okay?
This is his.
All right. Talk to you.
And this is hers.
Ilalagay ko itong one. You got it all? Yeah. Where's the bag? What will you got some? Welcome to the Pizarro restaurant. There you go. Funny. Now, okay.
Father. Namumala konting litrato. Hi.
I'm gonna find my kids.
Where you walk down the little alley.
Oh, yeah.
I have that. I'm calling that where we do people outside.
Are you ever thinking of Ay, mahal. Ay, talaga naman eh. Talaga naman din eh. Kaya happy birthday.
You can fit it. Maybe just one first.
Christian.
I was married priest, and he was saying something about crackers. So I said,
And that is the refrigerator.
one of the girls said, how do you say, the books are there.
YouTube yan ah, YouTube.
Sigurado to.
Abangan ko yan. Okay yung ano ah. Yung tip ko sa akin sa
Cherimoya.
Moya. Lumalaki na. Ito na talaga.
Lumalaki na.
Parang baseball na. Baka makaani ako na maayos niya. Kasi nung una pinabayaan ko sa tubig eh.